Hi, I'm Lee, and I'm the FP&A Technology Director at Revelwood. This video is going to help you learn more about IBM Planning Analytics. PAW version 2.0.43 includes an approach that will allow you to easily review the chores that are associated with a specific process. The way that we do that is we go into our list of processes, we right-click on a specific process, and we choose the option called Display Chores Involved. Once I display chores involved, it will show me all of the individual chores that are associated with this process. Function number one, I can edit the selected chore. So I'm going to select one of the chores. I'm going to click on that very first one, Perform a Full Backup. I'm going to have the option Edit Selected Chore selected, and I'm going to click on OK. And when I click on OK, it will bring me to the chore maintenance screen, which allows me to manipulate my scheduling, it allows me to define my commit mode, and it allows me to define all of the individual processes within the chore. I also have the ability, within Display Chores Involved, to completely remove the process from the chore. We do that by selecting the option for Remove Processes from Selected Chore. When I click on OK, I'll be prompted with an Are you sure? And if I were to choose on OK, it would remove this process from the chore. This feature helps make your chore maintenance easier by allowing you to reference the applicable processes and then use a single click to go into multiple chores at once. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you want to learn more, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one, or you can check out our website at revelwood.com.